Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we have an exciting comparison between two popular kitchen gadgets. We'll be taking a closer look at the Gourmia air fryer oven and the COSORI toaster oven air fryer combo. So let's get started. Let's start with the price. The Gourmia air fryer oven is priced at $59, making it a budget-friendly option for those looking to enjoy air-fried goodness without breaking the bank. On the other hand, the COSORI toaster oven air fryer combo is priced at $159. While it may be a bit more expensive, it offers a wide range of features and functionalities that might be worth the investment. Now let's talk about the functions and capacity of these two kitchen appliances. The Gourmia air fryer oven comes with 12 one-touch digital presets, allowing you to easily cook a variety of dishes. It offers a multi-cooker combo, making it suitable for frying, baking, roasting, and more. With its removable air fryer basket, it helps remove up to 90% of fat for a healthier cooking experience. As for the COSORI toaster oven air fryer combo, it offers more than 12 functions, including air frying, roasting, baking, broiling, and toasting. Its 26-quart capacity allows you to cook larger quantities, such as 6 slices of bread, a 12-inch pizza, or even a 5-pound whole chicken. Next, let's take a look at the material and durability of these appliances. The Gourmia air fryer oven delivers value and quality with its trusted brand reputation. It is designed with high-quality materials, ensuring its durability in the kitchen. On the other hand, the COSORI toaster oven air fryer combo is made with food-grade stainless steel, providing safety and durability. Its sleek and modern design adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen countertop. When it comes to cooking speed, both the Gourmia air fryer oven and the COSORI toaster oven air fryer combo offer efficient cooking capabilities. The COSORI oven, with its 6 heat elements and 2-speed fan, allows for faster cooking, delivering meals in minutes. It offers temperatures up to 450 degrees F, resulting in up to 30% faster cooking compared to a traditional convection oven. The Gourmia oven, though slightly slower, still offers quick and delicious results. Now let's talk about the smart features of these appliances. The COSORI toaster oven air fryer combo takes convenience to the next level with its VSync app. With just a tap on your smartphone, you can control and monitor your cooking process. Additionally, it also offers hands-free control through Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant, making your cooking experience truly seamless. While the Gourmia air fryer oven might not have smart connectivity, it still delivers exceptional results with its easy-to-use controls and presets. Let's not forget about the cleaning and maintenance aspect of these appliances. The Gourmia air fryer oven offers a dishwasher-safe experience, making cleanup quick and hassle-free. Its accessories can go straight into the dishwasher, saving you time and effort. As for the COSORI toaster oven air fryer combo, it comes with an external removable crumb tray that prevents the backflow of soup and makes cleaning a breeze. Its non-stick food tray is also easy to clean, ensuring a hassle-free cooking experience. And there you have it, a detailed comparison between these two amazing kitchen appliances. Whether you're looking for an affordable option or a versatile choice that can cater to your family's needs, both the Gourmia air fryer oven and the COSORI toaster oven air fryer combo have their unique features and functionalities. We hope this video helped you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below with your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting product comparisons and reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.